Measure the world precisely, drive the future with innovation. Shaanxi Creatrate Technology Co. Ltd. was founded in year 2006. It is a high-tech enterprise specializing in thermal calibration equipment, encompassing high-end pressure and temperature metrology calibration instruments. Creatrate is rooted in the field of instrumentation, committed to the R&D and manufacturing of high-end metrology equipment. It is the leader in China's deadweight tester market, and the pioneer of automatic deadweight tester. The company targets the international market. Foreign Trade Department was established in 2016. With the exploration of the international market in recent years, Creatrate, relying on its own capabilities, has assisted overseas metrology and calibration users. Since 2020, Creatrate products have obtained 4 EU patents: anti-braking rod piston, pressure calibration bench, benchtop air pressure pump, and portable air pressure pump. Currently, products are sold to multiple countries. The height of technological innovation is continuously rising. A new leap forward is being realized here, under the leadership of the company's founder, William Wu. Technology is constantly innovated, making significant contributions to aerospace, aviation, and marine sectors. In the IoT sector, it provides integrated solutions for various complex metrology needs of different users. Custom development of complete pressure and temperature standard establishment solutions, assisting in the renovation of standard establishment laboratories. From micropressure to ultra-high pressure, from the field to the standard laboratory, it offers customized one-stop services. Now, it has collaborated with multiple high-end metrology institutes, enterprises, etc. in China. In the future, Creatrate will continue to focus on R&D of high-end metrology equipment, leading industry development with innovative technology, aiming to achieve an international brand with Created in China.